Students, today I'll explain you the mechanism of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis is very complex and a number of reactions are involved in it. Consists of main two phases. One is light phase, that is light dependent phase. It is also known as light reaction. Another one is dark phase. It is light independent phase. So I'll say you first the light phase. It is also known as Hill reactions. These reactions takes place in the grana of the chloroplast where chlorophyll containing thylakoid are present. First is absorption of light. Chlorophyll molecule absorb the incident sunlight and become excited. This is called activation of chlorophyll. Then the water molecule is split up by the energy of the chlorophyll and produce hydrogen plus ion, hydroxyl ion. 4-hydroxyl ion breaks down and produce 2 water molecule, oxygen molecule and electron. This is known as breakdown of water molecule is known as photolysis of water. The electron is also released. The electron is used for photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation means ADP will change into ATP. Here you can see the reaction. Photolysis of water. 4 water molecule break down into 4 hydrogen plus ion, 4 hydroxyl ion. 4 hydroxyl ion is again producing water molecule, oxygen molecule and 4 electrons. So this is known as photolysis of water. Then this hydrogen plus ion helps to reduce NADP plus into NADPH. NADP full form is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate will change into reduced NADPH. Then comes photophosphorylation. In this process, electron which is used that is helping in this photophosphorylation. As I have said you earlier, here Pi indicates the inorganic phosphate change into adenosine triphosphate. This is known as photophosphorylation. Here one phosphate group is added with ADP and producing ATP. And the hydrogen molecule I have said you it is releasing. It helps to reduce this NADPH. So first is absorption of light, then splitting up of water, then NADPH molecule is formed, then photophosphorylation ATP is forming. So in light reaction you can see over here water lysis means hydrolysis of water they have shown you over here. Next step is a dark reaction. Dark reaction, okay, I'm showing you another reaction of light dependent phase over here. Dark reaction or chemical reaction phase. Dark phase takes place immediately after the light phase of photosynthesis. It takes place in the stroma portion of the chloroplast independent of light. During dark phase, carbon dioxide fixation occurs by a series of chemical reactions and lastly glucose is synthesized. These reactions were discovered by Melvin Kelvin and Bateson. Therefore, dark reaction is called Kelvin-Bateson cycle. The components are carbon dioxide, RUBP, NADPA, NADP and ATP. The steps are fixation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide fixation. In this step, carbon dioxide is first incorporated with RUBP, RUBP full form ribulose bisphosphate, and produce first 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound PGA, full form is phosphoglyceric acid. Next step, formation of phosphoglyceraldehyde. This PGA is converted into PGALD with the help of this NADPH and H+. This PGALD, out of 12 molecules of PGALD, only 2 molecules of PGALD is used to produce glucose. Rest 10 molecules of PGALD producing some intermediate products and ultimately produce 6 molecules of RUBP again. So it's continuing as a cycle. So it is known as Kelvin cycle. This Kelvin cycle is known as the dark reaction.